Hello and welcome to Reema's Garden. I am Reema Gopalan. So in this video we are going to talk about how to measure sunlight. A lot of you have come to me saying, Reema, I don't know how much sunlight my balcony receives or my window receives, and how do we find that? So I'm going to give you some base parameters, okay, as to how you can judge. First thing, suppose your window or balcony is facing the west direction. So it's one of the best directions to have. You'll have good access to sunlight. You can have plants that need full sunlight. Before we move further, I would like to say that I am assuming there is no hindrance in front of your balcony or the window, as in there is no another building or some huge construction that is there in front of your balcony. So I'm assuming you have an open access outside. So in such cases, west facing is the best. Second best is south facing. So if you have a balcony or window facing south, you can opt for any kind of plants. That is again a great option to have. Third best, or rather not so great, is east, where you can opt for plants that need partial sunlight, okay, because you will get sunlight only for few hours in the morning, and that sunlight will not have a lot of heat, okay. So, and the last one is the north facing balcony or the window, wherein you won't get any sunlight at all. So west facing best, you can opt for any kind of plants, especially plants that require full sunlight. Same is the case with south. East, you have to be careful and see to it that you are opting for plants that need sunlight only for few hours. And the last one is north facing balcony. Now what do you do with a north facing balcony? You can have plants like crotons, because plants that like indirect sunlight, you can have palms and crotons, indoor plants basically, or any plants that need indirect sunlight and do well out in the open. You can choose those kind of plants. So these were general parameters. Now we go a step further and see about the sun moments, okay, that is we call as Uttarayan and Dakshinayan. Uttarayan starts on 14th of Jan. Every year we celebrate Sankrant. What Uttarayan says is that the sun will move towards the northern hemisphere. Now what that means is, it's a good thing for all the people who have north facing balconies, okay. So they will start receiving full sunlight from maybe end of March, first week of April. So they'll start getting good sunlight. So from April to October is a good time for north facing balcony people to opt for any kind of plants. I mean, especially seasonal vegetables. You can have all sorts of vegetables like tomato, brinjal, capsicum, gourds, okra. So everything from April to October. After that, because Dakshinayan starts in the month of July, the sun will again start moving towards the southern hemisphere. So you have to be careful for north facing balcony people. Make the most of April to October time and grow everything that you want to grow, and during the rest of the year have plants that are okay with indirect sunlight.